The 2017 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, power windows, power brakes, clock, child safety locks, trip computer, tachometer, daytime running lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.